You opened your phone for a few seconds, then somehow you were reading about NVDA stock again. Not because you searched for it, not because you own it, but because it keeps showing up everywhere. And that raises a bigger question. Why can millions of people become obsessed with a stock they've never even bought? The answer is deeper than you think. Most people believe stocks become popular because they are valuable, but often they become valuable because they become popular. And once attention starts growing, it can create a cycle that feeds itself. A stock gets mentioned in the news. People talk about it online. More people search for it. More articles get written. More videos get recommended. And suddenly, everyone is looking at the same thing. This isn't just investing, it's psychology. A stock is simply a small piece of ownership in a company. That's all it is. But humans rarely react to facts alone. They react to stories. And NVDA became one of the biggest stories in the market. For some people, it represents artificial intelligence. For others, it represents the future of technology. For many, it represents opportunity. And humans are naturally drawn to opportunity. Economist Robert Shiller found that financial stories spread through society much like viruses. The stronger the story, the faster it spreads. The more it spreads, the more people pay attention. And attention itself becomes valuable. Have you ever noticed that once you learn about something, you suddenly start seeing it everywhere? That's called the availability effect. Your brain assumes something must be important if it keeps appearing in front of you. The same thing happens with stocks. The more often people see NVDA mentioned, the more important it feels, even if they never plan to invest. Then another force appears: social proof. When thousands of people are talking about the same stock, many assume those people know something important. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But the attention keeps growing either way. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Attention creates interest. Content creates more attention. And the cycle repeats again and again and again. That's why some stocks become cultural events rather than simple investments. They're discussed at work. They're discussed online. They're discussed by people who have never opened a brokerage account. But here's the part many people miss. A great company and a great investment are not always the same thing. The stock market doesn't just measure how good a company is. It measures expectations. Expectations are simply beliefs about the future. If investors expect incredible growth, those expectations get built into the stock price. That means even good news can disappoint the market if people expected something even better. This is why stock prices can move in ways that seem confusing. The market isn't comparing today with yesterday. It's comparing reality with expectations. And expectations can be extremely high. That's why attention can be dangerous. The more attention a stock receives, the easier it becomes to feel like you're missing out. That feeling has a name: FOMO, fear of missing out. It's the belief that everyone else is benefiting from an opportunity while you're being left behind. And it's one of the strongest emotions in investing. But emotions rarely build wealth. Discipline does. Patience does. Learning does. The most successful investors don't chase every headline. They focus on understanding what they're buying and why they're buying it. So when you see NVDA trending again, remember what you're really looking at. you're not just looking at a stock. You're watching human psychology in real time. Tension, stories, expectations, curiosity, hope, fear, all colliding in one place. And that's the real reason NVDA keeps grabbing attention. Because in today's world, the most valuable asset isn't always money. Sometimes it's attention itself.